Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a very large haul. I've been collecting things for probably months now. I have just been super busy, but because of everything that's going on right now, I do have some time off of work. If you can't tell, I am a little bit sick, so I'm just kind of taking it easy, and I decided that I would film some videos for you guys. So this is going to be the first video that I'm putting up for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy. It is going to be a mixture of Russe, I don't know how to say that, and Shein. I ordered the Charlotte Russe and Shein a couple months ago, and then I saw my friend Shannon here on YouTube. I will leave her link below. It's just Shannon Shortcake Beauty here on YouTube. She did a haul and she had a coupon code. I didn't really need anything, but I thought, you know what? I'm just going to spend some money and I'm going to use her code, and that's what I did. So I will leave her code in the description box below, and I will also leave her channel link below. Go check her out and subscribe. She does a lot of fashion videos and she's super cute, so definitely go check her out. And before I waste any more time, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first, I'm going to show you, get Charlotte Russe out of the way now, because I don't have nearly as much stuff from Charlotte as I do from Shein. So the first thing I have here is this perfume. This is just called the Refuge Adore. I knew that I had it before they went out of business, and I thought I remember liking it, so I did need some new perfume, so I picked that up. I don't mind it. It's a good everyday perfume for me, so that's why I grabbed that. The next shirt I got here is just this navy and white striped shirt. It's like a crop top and it has these nice little buttons on it. Because I'm sitting, this actually fits me pretty well, and it has like a good like little cleavage area for me. I will try to insert a picture of me if I can figure out how to do that in editing of me wearing this. If not, just know that it looked really good. The way that it fit me was really nice. It was tight where I needed it to be, and then kind of loose in the arms, which is one of my problem areas. The next two things I have here are pants. I have wore these pair. These are called like the butt pants, But I Love You pants, and these are incredibly high-waisted. Like, I'm so happy with these. I got them in a size 16, and they actually fit a little bit big. They're super stretchy, you guys can see that. But I'm impressed with how high-waisted they are, because I wore them with the bodysuit that I had in here, and it was perfect. So I'm very happy with these. I think that I will try to get another pair of these. But as you're going to see in this haul, I got a lot of pants. So definitely recommend the But I Love You pants from Charlotte Russe. I used to always get my pants from Charlotte Russe. I got the Refuge brand, but whenever they closed and came back, the Refuge brand doesn't have a lot of stuff there, so I don't know what's happening. These next ones I got, I did not know that these were what I was getting. They are they're like this, and they're like that on the bottom too, and I just don't know how I feel about that. But they are some ripped, just distressed pants. I love those. They look like they're called jogger fit, which I guess I should have realized that they were going to be like that. But again, I got these in a size 16. You can tell they're pretty stretchy, but I have not wore these yet, so I don't know how they fit. The next two shirts I got are kind of very similar. They're just black off the shoulder ones. This one does not fit well at all. It does not stay down, and I'm having a hard time getting this one to work with me. And the material, it feels kind of cheap. It doesn't feel like the best material, but I don't think this was very much money. This one's not my favorite, if I'm being honest with you. I've only tried it on. I never actually wore it, and I just didn't like the way it fit. The next one is much cuter. I think it would look really good with like a high-waisted little moment, probably those high-waisted pants earlier. It's this black off-the-shoulder thing, and I think because of the way this is, it would be easier for me to get it to stay off the shoulder, and this one fits a lot nicer. I do think it would be better tucked into high-waisted pants. When I tried it on, I did not tuck it into high-waisted pants. I just wore it like a regular shirt, and I think that it would work better being high-waisted. The last thing that I got is a red bodysuit, and I have wore this. I have an interesting story to tell you about this, but it's just this red bodysuit. The clasps in the little onesie area have broke, so I don't really button those when I wear them, but you still get the point. It's very tight fitting. It just looks really good on me. Red's a nice color for me. I know that sounds conceited. I went to wear this the first time I hung out with one of my friends, and I got out of the car and he was like, is this the first time you've wore that? And I'm like, yeah, where's the tag? But because I had to put this on when I was putting on my pants, I forgot to take the tag off of it, and I rode around all day without with a tag on. Thankfully, he was the first person I saw that day, so hopefully nobody else saw me, but still kind of embarrassing. This is actually going much quicker than I anticipated. I guess it's probably because I'm rushing through it. So now we're gonna get into the Shein stuff. I have ordered a couple more pieces like this, but I didn't want to show them all because they're kind of personal. I got some little lingerie, like some lacy bras. Like this one's just a nice little lacy red bra. I know it looks funky right now because it doesn't make sense when it's not on, but their lingerie is actually really affordable, and I kind of got nervous by being a plus size woman and ordering from Shein. I was anxious about it. I saw someone post about it before, but I'm honestly like pleasantly surprised. Like this is actually like a full outfit and it fits me very nice. I think I went up, I think I got these in 2X and normally like I'm a large, extra large, and they do fit nice. Probably a little too big. I probably could have did a 1X in them, but I am like pleasantly surprised with the lingerie. So if you're someone who's looking to get some cheap lingerie, Shein is the place to go. And I know that they have Shein on Amazon as well, so you can order it if you have like Amazon Prime. Sorry, my nose itches. I got a lot of mixture of like cute and like casual stuff, so you're gonna see that a lot in this. I don't really have a style. I just pick what I think looks nice. This shirt right here is like my favorite color right now, and it's just this like vintage car shirt. The quality of it feels super, super nice and heavy. And again, this is from Shein, so it wasn't that much, like it wasn't that expensive. I'm highly impressed with their like just regular shirts because they feel really nice. This next shirt I got, and I was so excited about it because I thought that it was going to look so cute. It's just black and white striped, but the way that this fits does not fit good on me. I don't know if it's because I have a larger chest, but it does not fit the way that it's supposed to. I'm going to try to see if my sister can help me style it because I don't want to get rid of it because it actually feels like it's a really like pretty decent style shirt. Just the way that it fits on my chest is not good. This shirt is another one of just the relaxing shirts. I got this a little bit big, but it says, "I'm a happy-go-lucky ray of," you can read that, sunshine. And I got this in a 2X, so it is a little bit bigger, but it's super comfortable, so this would just be something I would throw on either around the house or if I'm going out to run errands on one of my off days. But like I said, the quality on it is super, super nice. This is another casual slash cute shirt. I got it because of the color, because I've really been loving this color lately. It's just like, just this little like crop top, burnt orange half sleeve shirt. Has some lace detailing on the back. Has quarter, it has a probably, for most people it's probably a full length sleeve, and it actually just buttons up and has a little tie at the end. I've worn this several times. It's super comfortable. The quality of it feels really nice. And I got this flannel here. I got this flannel because I love flannels and because it's yellow, which is my favorite color. I have not yet actually paired this like to wear it with anything, but I'm super excited to have this for in the fall whenever it starts getting a little chilly out and I can wear cute flannels. I love it. Now I haven't actually opened these. I ordered some pants and these look huge. Man, that makes me anxious. I ordered some pants. These are just some regular distressed ones. The quality of them feels really nice actually. I ordered these after I saw Shannon's video. I think she had some pants in there. I can't remember, but I think she did. This button I can tell is cheap, but the only thing is these pants look kind of big, so I don't know about that, but the quality of them feels pretty nice. And I guess I got a pair of black pants. Ooh, there's some. Oh yeah, they're distressed too. See, I already forgot what I got. It's been so long. I'm running out of like nice black distressed pants because I wear them all the time, so they're losing their color. The quality of these don't feel as good as the other ones did. They feel kind of super cheap, but they were super cheap, so what do I expect? Like I said, with black distressed pants, I don't get to keep them for very long. They fade and they rip, and so I don't think this is the best quality pants, but it's also not the worst either. We're actually making good time, guys. I think we're almost done with this. So here's another just casual shirt that I got. I got it because it has the yellow and the stripes on it. It's just a navy. I thought it was actually black online, but it's a navy and a yellow. Just a t-shirt with a little pocket on it. I thought it was super cute. The quality of this is like dry fit material. That's what it feels like to me. It doesn't feel bad. It's just a weird consistency for like a regular everyday shirt. I don't know. This is just another one of those vintage shirts. Just a vintage car shirt. And the quality on this feels super nice, super soft. And this time I got it in black because you can never have too many black t-shirts. And the last thing that I got I'm super excited about. I just dropped the shorts, but it's a cute little pajama set, and it's these mushrooms. How freaking cute. I'm excited to have some nice pajamas just because it's nice to feel so cute sometimes. My friend Veronica bought me some pajamas for her wedding, and I like wearing them around the house, like when I want to feel like I'm dressing up but not put too much effort into my appearance. So that's kind of why I got these. I don't normally wear shorts, but I thought, why the heck not? I thought it was a cute little, I just thought it was a cute little set, so that's why I snagged it. So that was it for this haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!